Have you ever wondered how a creative job application can land you a job at Google? Picture this. Mariana Kobayashi, an erstwhile employee at LinkedIn, found herself without a job. But instead of letting this setback define her, she chose to turn the tables. Kobayashi, in the face of adversity, decided to take a different approach to job applications. Rather than sending out a typical resume and cover letter, she decided to create a viral video application. This wasn't your ordinary video, though. It showcased her professional journey, capturing the attention of people all over the world. Her video was more than a mere slideshow of her career highlights. Instead, it was a creative, engaging narrative that demonstrated her skills, passion, and resilience in the face of challenges. It was this innovative approach that made her stand out amidst a sea of traditional applications. Despite being marginally underqualified for the position she initially applied for, Kobayashi's determination and creativity caught the eye of a Google recruiter. This recruiter saw potential in Kobayashi that went beyond the job description, recognizing her qualifications for alternative roles within the company. After her video application went viral, Kobayashi had to navigate through 3 rigorous interview stages. Each stage was a test of her skills and capabilities, but Kobayashi held her own, impressing the interviewers at every turn. Finally, her hard work and innovative approach paid off. Kobayashi received a job offer from Google, a company known for its competitive hiring process and high standards. This success story unfolded amidst reports of Google laying off 1,000 employees in various departments, including hardware and central engineering. So, what can we learn from Kobayashi's journey? It's that innovation and creativity can make a world of difference. In a competitive job market, thinking outside the box can help you stand out and get noticed by top companies. It's not always about having the most experience or the highest qualifications. Sometimes it's about demonstrating your passion, resilience, and ability to adapt in unique and engaging ways. So the next time you find yourself preparing a job application, remember Mariana Kobayashi. Remember her innovative approach to job applications and how it landed her a job at Google. And who knows? Maybe your unique approach will be the next to catch a recruiter's eye.